大家好，我是奥地利的小胡，在中国我吃了红蛋，在欧洲我们也很喜欢 colored eggs。明天是复活节 ，one of the most important religious holidays where we love to eat our colored Easter eggs。今天我教你们自己在家里做的 Easter eggs。The tradition of coloring eggs is a really long one and has been done in many different civilizations all over the world. Some Christians, they color their eggs red because it symbolizes the blood of Jesus. Later on, over the fasting time, because for 40 days you couldn't eat eggs and meat, people had lots of eggs left over. So they thought we should color our eggs in different colors to know which one are the fresh ones, which one are the older ones. So I know which one to eat right now. And that's how the different colored eggs came to be. Nowadays, people use food color to color really vibrant colors, and today I will use only natural things to color my eggs. 我做5个不同颜色的鸡蛋，我用洋葱皮做橙色的鸡蛋，用菠菜做绿色的鸡蛋。你可以用新鲜的菠菜，但是很多人觉得冰冻的菠菜颜色更好看。也用curcuma做黄色的鸡蛋，一点 beetroot 做红色的鸡蛋和 blaukraut 做蓝色的鸡蛋。我今天用肉色的鸡蛋，因为颜色更好看。但是你们也可以用白颜色的鸡蛋，颜色就一点不一样的，没有关系。第一步是洗干净我们的鸡蛋，用一点水和猪洗干净。洗干净后，我们把鸡蛋煮熟。The supermarket eggs are already cooked and can be eaten directly. 把鸡蛋放到冷水，大火煮开后，再煮8分钟。现在开始染色，把每种材料煮开，让水分蒸发浓缩。然后放到旁边冷却。冷却后，在每个颜色加1小勺煮，然后把鸡蛋放进去，把鸡蛋放在里面过夜，第二天就会一个很漂亮的鸡蛋。I use a little bit small containers today. It's better if you use something higher to cover the whole egg, but this looks better just to show you. If you have this situation, just make sure to turn the egg 2 or 3 times to cover everything. 过了一个晚上，看看我们的 natural colored Easter eggs 怎么样。At last, not mandatory, 用油 and polish it. 最后，我们对比一下。欧洲大部分的人直接买 Easter eggs， 很少人自己 color eggs。这个也是我第一次试下自己 color 菠菜和 the red beetroot didn't really work out so well， 但是我觉得洋葱、blaukraut 和 curcuma 颜色就很好。 Easter is not only a religious holiday but also a holiday for the family. And in these special hard times, it's great to keep your mind off the bad things and do something fun like coloring Easter eggs. Also, it's a great activity for your kids. So I wish you, especially in this year, a very, very happy Easter. 谢谢你看我的视频，是你让我想要努力拍更好的视频和说中文。点赞、分享和 please 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 关注我，你的关注才能让我继续拍摄。Love you guys.